Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make these decadent, easy, vegan raspberry and white chocolate cupcakes. So this is probably one of my most popular cake flavors that people tend to order. But to start off with, you will need 1 3/4 cups of self-rising flour, and you're going to sift this into a bowl to remove any lumps that are in it. Then we're going to add 3/4 cups of caster sugar. This works best in cupcakes and cakes, followed by 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of corn flour, and a pinch of salt. You're going to sift all of these ingredients, and that's all our dry ingredients done. Then using a whisk, you're going to whisk all of this together so the flour is combined thoroughly. And we're going to use a hand whisk here, not one of those electric ones, otherwise your flour will fly everywhere, and I don't find it necessary to use those for cupcakes. So once you've combined your dry ingredients, in the center of your bowl you're going to add 1 cup of soy milk. I find that works best as a plant-based milk, a 1/3 cup of vegetable or sunflower oil, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, a teaspoon of raspberry essence, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice. Add all of these ingredients into your bowl, and then slowly, starting in the center, working your way outwards, whisk all of your ingredients together to form a thick batter like this. Make sure you use a spatula to try and get all of the flour that might be stuck underneath so everything's combined. Then you're going to need some vegan white chocolate. Morrison's, I found, actually does vegan raspberry and white chocolate bars, which taste really good, and these are perfect for this recipe. So coat those in flour lightly so they don't sink to the bottom. Same with raspberries. I have around a 1/3 cup of frozen raspberries which I'm coating in flour, and then we're going to add this into our batter. Fold it into your batter. Don't mix it in too much because the batter is already mixed. We just need to fold in our extra ingredients into it. Now that's it. Make sure your oven is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, and we're going to line a cupcake tray with 12 large muffin cases and divide this batter evenly into those cases, filling them around 3/4 of the way full as they will rise. Bake these in the oven for around 20 to 25 minutes till you insert a skewer and they come out clean. Once your cupcakes have cooled, you can top off with buttercream and whatever you like, or you can leave it and eat it as it is. It tastes equally as good. So I've topped this off with vegan buttercream, and you can add melted white chocolate to make it taste even better and match the theme as well. Top with a slice of white chocolate and a raspberry onto each one as well. That is how I like decorating these cupcakes. Simple yet elegant, and they taste so good as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you try out this recipe, which I really do recommend, do let me know in the comment section below, as I'd love to know how it turned out. If you have any questions as well, feel free to comment them below, and thanks for watching.